So let's keep busting myths about hard money. Kaboom! We've already talked about how hard money doesn't have to be out of your price range. Now let's talk about the second biggest misconception. Hard money is a trap. False. Many investors think that if they enter a hard money loan, they might never escape it. They think a hard money loan is a profit-death sentence. Once again, this is false. Here's the truth. Hard money loans should only be used as temporary solutions. They're not meant to be long-term options for investors. If you enter a hard money loan with a long-term mindset, then yeah, you'll probably lose most or all of your profits. So what can you do to ensure you're in and out of a hard money loan fast? Here are 3 tips. Number 1, make a plan to exit your hard money loan as soon as possible. Don't walk into your loan without a plan to get out of it. If you're doing a fix and flip, then make sure you have everything scheduled and set so you can get the work done and sell the property ASAP. If you're looking at fixing and holding, aka rentals, then make sure you line up a long-term loan alongside your hard money loan. Do not wait until you've completed the rehab portion of the project to start the refinance process. If you work with the right lender, like us, you can get help creating your specific plan and get help with both your hard money loan and long-term loan. Think of it like a one-stop shop for all your real estate loans. Number 2, focus on your credit score. If you want to refinance out of your hard money loan quickly, then you'll need to make sure you have the right kind of credit score. So what is that score? Ideally, you want it to be above 640, but that's the bare minimum. Aiming for 670 or higher is even better. If your score is below 640, then take the time to raise it before you get a hard money loan. Otherwise, you'll likely get stuck because there aren't many, if any, lenders who can help you refinance with such a low score. If you need some tips on raising your score, check out some of our other videos on our channel. Number 3, do not delay construction. Sometimes investors close their deal with a hard money loan and then sit around. They don't jump straight into the project and get things moving along. Or they get started, but then hit a bump in the road and delay things. Don't do this. The faster you can get your work done, the faster you can sell or rent the property, which means you can get out of your hard money loan a lot faster. A great way to keep you on track is to use the Flipper Force app. Check it out. A hard money loan is not an expensive trap. It only becomes an expensive trap because investors don't go into it prepared. Do you need help preparing before you commit to a hard money loan? Our team is always here to offer you some guidance. Stay tuned for our next video where we talk about bank lines compared to hard money loans. Believe it or not, bank lines aren't always the cheaper path to take. Ready to chat about your hard money and other lending options? Great! Give our team a call. We're excited to set you on a path that makes you the kind of money you need to live the life you want. The Cash Flow Mortgage Company. Good loans, good people, good business.